Okay, here's the underside of the Integra. This is why I prefer a custom exhaust. I have a 4-2-1 header. Runs to a flex pipe, 6-inch. To a California Cat. To a 12-inch resonator. Out back, and then there's a World Sport DC Sports RSR made muffler. So the way this is designed is to be quiet in the cab and decently loud in the back. It works really well. There's no drone, and it's just an overall badass exhaust system. It's perfectly fitted for this motor, for this cam. Makes great mid-range. Doesn't fall off from the top end, and about the same as stock on the bottom, if not a little more. So this is why I prefer a custom exhaust. Really, really nice. Being that you can, go with the California Cat resonator of your choice, stuff like that. I don't see the point of spending, what is it, $800 for a fucking exhaust these days. It's way too much. So